It's 11 p.m. Your family's asleep, and you're on page 42 of an inspection report. Your eyes are glazing over, and you're praying you don't miss a foundation shoe. You're in what I call the excellence trap, where your success requires your exhaustion. It doesn't have to be this way. I've used a private AI workflow to cut that 2-hour document grind down to 15 minutes. Here is how to build your own property intelligence hub. I get charged up when people tell me they're getting value from new tech. But lately, when I talk to agents about AI, I see a lot of them are kind of dragging. They're overwhelmed and they think AI is just a cute widget for their website or a way to write a property description. Here's the thing. If you're only using AI to write social captions, you're treating it like a public party trick. You're missing the point. Because you're treating AI as a marketing toy instead of a back-end business engine, you're still doing all the heavy lifting. You're manually reviewing every document and managing every file. This is the excellence trap. You're a top producer making great money, but you rely on sheer effort to keep the wheels turning. You're working harder, but your profit margin isn't growing because you're losing 15 hours a week to the whirlwind of paperwork. Today, we change that. We're going from AI curiosity to operational integration by building a private property intelligence hub. Right now, the real estate sector is facing massive structural changes. AI is poised to automate about 37% of traditional agent tasks. If you stay in the manual oversight lane, you're devaluing your own role. To survive this, you need a system ownership mandate. Stop looking at AI as a public chatbot. Instead, view it as a private consultant that talks directly to your data. This is what I call a property intelligence hub. It's not for your clients, it's for you. It exists to reduce your cognitive load and ensure that your business can eventually run without you doing the reading for every single line of a 60-page doc. I remember sitting at my desk late at night, eyes glazing over, trying to find red flags in a massive pile of paperwork. It drains the life out of you. Consider this. You get a 60-page inspection report, a title commitment, and dense HOA bylaws. In the past, that was a 2-hour block on your Tuesday. Now it's 15 minutes. I use a tool called NotebookLM. I create a secure private notebook for a specific property address. I upload the inspection, the seller's disclosure, the title commitment. Then I ask my consultant specific questions. Find all mentions of roof age or are there structural issues? But here's the magic. I have the AI contrast the inspection against the title commitment and the contract. I'll ask, did the seller disclose the roof leak mentioned on page 14 of the inspection? It scans everything in seconds and gives me page references. You're no longer searching for info, you're making strategic decisions based on it. Now, I have to be very clear. AI does not replace your professional judgment. It enhances your efficiency. Integrity matters. I live by the belief that anything I do should stand the test of public scrutiny. When you build a property intelligence hub, compliance is the baseline. You are the editor and the final safeguard. The AI finds the needle in the haystack, but you're the one that decides what to do with that needle. Don't use AI to cut corners on ethics. Use it to organize your data so you can actually provide the high-level service your clients expect. Reclaiming those 10 to 15 hours a week isn't a luxury anymore. It's a necessity if you want to scale. You have to stop building the plane mid-flight. When you stop relying on sheer effort and start relying on process architecture, everything changes. On February 23rd, I'm launching a brand new group specifically for agents who are ready to move past the chatbot phase and start building real estate engine. We're going to map out your workflows and implement these tools step by step. If you're ready to trade your current stress for a reliable system that ensures future freedom, then comment real estate below. It's time to stop working as an employee in your own business. I'm Clay Lehman, and I'll see you in the next one.